What is it costing you? What is it costing you not being in the Clear Vision Workshop? It's going down within 24 hours. If you haven't registered, now's your chance. It's costing you time freedom. It's costing you peace. It's costing you the opportunity to gain fresh ideas and strategies from other like-minded business owners that might be having the same issues, but collectively and your energy, when you come together, it creates a synergy and new ideas and thoughts. So it's costing you the missed opportunity to be in a space to get more ideas, new ways of looking at things. You're going to be from different areas and industries, and sometimes that provides a different perspective than you hadn't thought of because they're looking at it from a different angle. So there's power in being in community when you're in these spaces. So this is a very interactive workshop, hands-on. You got to bring your mind and your thoughts. It's for 90 minutes. And like I said, it's going down tomorrow, Tuesday, August 27th at 7 p.m. I'm your host. I'll see you then.